And in this video I will be showing you how you can install Svelte application using Vite. Before that, I just need to remind you, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. Okay, so let's proceed. First of all, you have to open any place or anywhere. You have to open any folder. Inside that, just open your terminal. Okay, if you are using Mac, Linux or Windows, that does not matter, but just you have to open your terminal. And once you have opened your terminal, then node should be there. You can check that by writing node minus b. If that is not there, you have to install node by writing download node.js. Okay, and you have to download the LTS version. Okay, so here you can see LTS version is there. You can simply click on download, it will be downloaded, and you have to install. Installation is very easy. Then what you need to do, if this is available, then what you need to do, pm create Vite @latest. You have to write this much only and click on enter. Then it will ask you for the project name. My project name will be demo. Then it will ask you for the framework or library, whatever you need. You can select Svelte here. Then it will ask you want to proceed Svelte with TypeScript or JavaScript or Svelte kit. I'll proceed with JavaScript. Okay, then I'll click on enter, and then it will show what to do. You have to first of all go inside this demo folder, for which cd demo you have to do. Then npm install you have to write to install the necessary libraries which are required to run your project. So now all the packages are installed. Then what we need to do is to npm run dev we have to write to run our project. So you can see our Vite application is running in this. So you can control and click over it. It will open in your default browser. You can see Vite and Svelte. So you can write any code to change anything here. And if you want to learn more about Svelte, you can click on this. It will redirect to Svelte. And if you want to learn about Vite, you can click on this Vite logo. It will also show you the documentation and details. Okay. So this video is helpful. Please like the video, share a comment if any doubts you have, and subscribe the channel. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.